Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a plant-based cheese log for your holiday table. And this cheese recipe has absolutely no nuts in it. This recipe only has a few ingredients and comes together in minutes, so if that sounds good to you, stick around. If you're new to my channel, I'm a plant-based RN, and on my channel you'll find quick, easy, and delicious whole food plant-based recipes. I follow the starch solution way of eating, and I was able to lose 15 pounds eating that way. And those are the kind of recipes you'll find here on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want more information on the starch solution. Please subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. And sometimes I'll throw in a bonus video, you never know, and you don't want to miss out on that. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more plant-based inspiration. Now on with this recipe. This is seriously the easiest recipe ever. I'm going to use 8 ounces of a prepackaged hummus. This is a no oil hummus that I got from Trader Joe's. That goes into a bowl. To that, I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of some onion powder, a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and then I'm going to add about ¼ cup of my chickpea breadcrumbs, just for a little extra crunch and a different texture. Then we're going to mix this all together. I have a piece of parchment paper here, and this is going to help us form our log shape. So I just dumped the whole thing onto the parchment paper. And to me, this is the hardest part of the recipe. So I just kind of start forming it here. And then you just take your parchment paper and just kind of go from each end to help form that log shape. It may take a few times. I'm still, working on my technique. Then I'll just use an offset spatula to kind of smooth it out. And it may look more like a rectangle than a log, but you know what? Once we decorate it, it's gonna look great. So that's kind of the basic shape of it. Then I have my board here that I'm gonna use to put my log on with a few crackers. So we will transfer this over. And just peel that away. And then you smooth out this side. Now we will start decorating. I will be using some sweetened dried cranberries and some fresh dill. So all I do is I have my little herb shears here, which if you don't have these are awesome. And I just start cutting and it goes right on. Once you get all your dill on there, all sides, and you can probably do a much better job than me. I am not artistic at all, and that's okay. Then you're just gonna press in your cranberries, just randomly. You wanna make sure that you get a cranberry in each bite. So you'll wanna do the sides, the top, and I tell you what, whenever I make this stuff is gone. It might not look picture perfect. If you're looking for picture perfect food, you're not gonna find that here. I don't have time for that. I want stuff that tastes good and looks pretty, but it's not gonna be perfect. And I think that's okay. And you should be okay with it too, because it's made with love. So then I'm just gonna put some on the sides, and then we'll get some crackers out and have a little taste. So see, it looks pretty when it's all dressed up. Got some different crackers. So let's give it a taste. I want to get a cranberry on there. love the sweetness of the cranberries, and it pairs so well with that dill. It's really good. Looks very Christmassy to me. Question of the day. What's your favorite holiday appetizer? I'd love to know. And I hope you give this really quick and easy recipe a try. I think it will impress your friends. They'll think you worked hours on it, and it comes together in minutes, and it tastes great. And of course, it's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, thank you. Today I'm going to be making a plant, oh my gosh, here we go. Whoa. This recipe only has a few ingredients and comes together in minutes. So yeah. Hello.